In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix download error in One Piece Bounty Rush. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a good and reliable network connection. So make sure that you're connected to a good and stable internet. Then the next thing you want to do is just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on back again. The next thing we want to do is go to our phone settings, head down to our app settings, and just search for One Piece Bounty Rush. So here in the app info of One Piece game, just go to storage and just simply clear its cache. And hopefully this method works for you. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.